I love this balance and tricycle bike. I really love how versatile it is, and it is for kids from age 2 to 4. My son loved it. It's really easy to install all the pieces. You just connect them together. You don't need to screw anything. It's so easy to assemble. The colors are really vibrant. It's really easy to use, and you can adjust the size of the seat. And I am in love with this bike, and my son is in love with this bike too. And it comes with 3 modes of using. You can use it without the pedals, and you can use it like a balance bike. You can use it with the training wheels to be a tricycle, and you can use it without the training wheels to be a bicycle. It's an absolutely amazing gift for your little ones, and I really love this bike. So if you are looking for a really affordable and really beautiful bike for your son or your daughter, this is an amazing option for you. I love it.